Now, who here has studied the theory of evolution before? And who can explain it? Danny?
The theory of evolution is that animals need to adapt to their environment, so therefore they have to change their characteristics, both internal and external, so evolution comes to be.
Very good. And who can tell me who came up with this theory? Melissa?
Darwin?
Yes, very good. Now, Darwin studied evolution, or came up with the theory of evolution, while studying animals on the Galapagos Islands during the 1800s. Now, we are going to be studying the theory of evolution in a very different setting. Darwin studied, he was secluded and alone. Now, you will be working with groups to accomplish this goal of you will be working to produce a web page. Now, you'll be following this web quest we have here that lays out the task at hand. And groups will be making a web page. We will have, there's 18 people in the class, so we have 6 groups of 3. And your goal is to make a web page that gives the basics of evolution, information about Darwin. We're going to be looking for content, visual. We want creativity. We want visual. The web page to be visually stimulating. And one thing to think about for the audience of the web page is fellow students. Other students are going to be able to view the web page to learn information about this. So the learning goals, you should organize the information. That's another thing for evaluation. You should be organized, it should be clear, there should be good grammar, everything like that. As we get started, when you break up into your groups, you will take this evolution quiz. Now, the evolution quiz will not be graded. It is just a way to look at what knowledge you have of evolution before doing the research. And at the end of the task, you will be able to go back and change some of the answers to see what you may have gotten wrong. And you will have, since this project is taking the place of lab for the day, you will have 90 minutes, so we have a double period to accomplish this. So you'll have about half hour to 40 minutes to do some research, and then we will compile the web page after that. So I will be walking around to see all the participating. I want to see participation in the groups, discussions going on about maybe someone isn't comprehending one thing, so another student could help explain that. So we should get started, and you can join the groups. And there is also, we have these resources here that you can use for the research for the web pages. So we can get started now.